Hello, my Cooky family. I'm sorry I've been away for a long time, but welcome to 2019. I thought I'll start this year with this lovely nursery tour amidst all the greenery and freshness and show you guys around how a government nursery looks like, at least here in Pune. So stay tuned.
What is this called?
Akkal kada.
Akkal kada.
Hi friends. Okay, so today we are going to introduce you
Where are we
to
today?
the Central Nursery. That is the cheapest nursery of Pune.
It's a government
it's in
nursery.
Pune University.
Yes.
So here we are.
So let's see what is there. So I'll be putting all the names of the plants down below.
Wow.
And we're just gonna show you around what all we get here. So these are the snake plants. It's a type of Sansevieria. I'll put in the name. I don't know what these red ones are. I'm going to ask them. These are all the holy basil, the purple kind if I'm not wrong. Very nice. These are the touch me not plants. My friend is playing with them. These are all the indoor plants.
तूने कौन सा लिए हैं? हे काय काका?
These are all called furcuria. I am going to Google and try and find out the name in English. These are all the lovely peperomias.
रविवारी पण चालू असतं काका?
भैया ये कितने वाले हैं?
20 का.
These are all for only 20 rupees. These are all the nasturtium plants. I'm gonna write the name. As far as I know, the flowers are edible.
Also get some of the bigger plants or which are like shrubs, and these are a little bit more than 10 or 20 rupees, but they're still very good value. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, do share and subscribe. See ya!